Advent Health releases new renderings of its hospital in Weaverville that would grow to more than 200 beds if the state approves its application this fall.
This is Mission. HCA continues to challenge the approval of the hospital expansion in court. News 13's Kimberly King is live at the job site in Weaverville. Kim, Advent Health holds another community listening session tomorrow.
Tammy, that's right. They'll have it at 4 p.m. in Black Mountain. They want to hear from the public what kind of doctors they want to see at the hospital. Now, Advent already has approval for just under 100 beds at this facility on this 30-acre tract of land, but the goal is to double that number with an additional application this fall.
We're walking toward what will be our new emergency department.
Advent Health spokeswoman Victoria Dunkel shows us the sprawling land parcel off Monticello Road in Weaverville that's still being prepped. Pipes are staged, workers are building retaining walls, and earth movers leveling the ground.
People will be coming into the hospital off of 2570.
This is a former rendering for a 93-bed site. The new goal is double that with 222 beds. Images show the potential hospital's larger scope. That's only if the state regulators greenlight the additional 129-bed application it will submit this fall.
We're specialty access, so it brings on the opportunity to bring in more specialized care physicians and team members.
Mission HCA, meanwhile, has taken its challenge to the state Supreme Court, the court granting a stay on its competitor until the court decides if it will hear Mission's case. Mission appealing the lower court rulings that upheld Advent's current beds approved. Meanwhile, Novant continues to press on to expand in Asheville despite the state rejecting its proposed 26-bed cancer hospital in South Asheville and its proposed imaging, CT, and mammography diagnostic center at the former Gold's Gym on Hendersonville Road. Novant in a statement saying, while disappointed, we have opened multiple Novant Asheville clinics in Biltmore Park and other areas for needs including endocrinology. We look forward to applying in October for additional beds outlined by the State Medical Facilities Plan. That would be competing with Advent Health that waits for the Supreme Court's final ruling for or against Mission.
Because of ongoing efforts to try to delay this process, we are now looking at likely being able to open, if all goes well, in 27.
Now, just to turn back the clock a minute, Advent originally applied in 2022, and in that application for this hospital, they said they'd have it open by now. They say because of legal challenges that, of course, involve Mission. The actual groundbreak has been delayed. In a statement tonight from Mission says part of the reason that they are challenging this is instead of adding more beds at facilities unable to provide complex medical and surgical care, the region would be better served by expanding bed capacity at Mission Hospital. Reporting live from Weaverville, Kimberly King, News 13.